Hello everyone, agricultural tractors. I hope all of you might have knowing something about it. In this video, we are going to see about the general facts on Indian agricultural tractors, how to conserve the fuel, what are the testing centers available, and what are the issues or problems faced by the farmers on agricultural tractors. In India, most of the farmers are having a small land holdings. Since the tractors used is also lies in the category of 35 to 45 HP almost. Many of the Indian tractor companies are supplying tractors to India, and also it is exporting very qualified tractors to the foreign countries. This is an development on agricultural tractors in the country. You know about the implements, machineries, tools, or you have seen all those things from leveling, plowing, seeding, or spraying, harvesting, and post harvesting operations also done by the agricultural tractors in India. Still more inventions and machineries will be coming in future also. The non-agricultural operations such as drilling, leveling, and trailing, hauling, etc., also done by the tractors in our country. How will be the future of agricultural tractors in India? Let's see. As like cars, we will have electric tractors too, as it controls pollution. And we can see more AC cabinet tractors for favoring drivers' comfort. Also in future, there will be an increase in the sales of mini tractors and usage, thereby decrease in the medium type tractors, that is 35 to 45 HP range. But there will be also a growth in higher HP tractors, that is above 60-70 HPs. ALT, that is anti-lift tractors, for ensuring the improved safety of driver and also the vehicle. The next one is automation, that is robotic tractors. Already an famous company has launched a robotic tractor, but they have not released the price and also marketing facilities not yet came. But we can expect a growth in this sector in future for sure. GPS fitted tractors, that is already came into existence, but farmers mostly not aware of it. But in future we may expect most of the farmers will use that, and custom hiring centers will also use this facility. Multi-power reversal. In future we will expect this feature in most of the tractors, which facilitates special applications such as threshing. In olden days we are by looking the tractors we will get some fear on sudden looking, but nowadays it is not like that. But in future more admiring designs will be coming, just like loving the tractors on looks. There will be an improved safety and ergonomics future. For example, rollover protection is provided to foreign countries, but in India most of them are not using that. In future we can expect that such improved safety provisions and more comfortable designs will be coming in the Indian tractors. For a good tractor, the characteristics are as follows: the traction, hauling speed, resale value, service centers, turbo, and gear count. All these should be more. Next we will see what should be less: maintenance charges, pollution, turning radius, slip losses, fuel consumption, heat emissions, price, that should be low. As per Indian rules, only a single person can ride on a tractor, that is driver. We should know the difference between the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive, in the sense the power will be provided only to the rear two wheels, but in four-wheel drive all the four wheels will get the power from engine. We can either switch on or switch off the four-wheel drive mode in that four-wheel drive tractors. It will give more traction in some hard situations. Useful life of a tractor will be 10 years or 10,000 hours based on 1000 hours per year calculation. Fuel conservation. What are the methods? Let us see. Always operate the tractor in that suitable gear. That is, when you are having overload, you should operate it at low gear, and at lesser load it should be operated at higher gear. Stop idling the tractors unnecessarily at unnecessary times. By doing so, it will waste 1 liter per hour fuel as per the PCRA recommendation. Always we should keep the first line of our ploughing straight and parallel as much as possible. Otherwise, more dead and back furrows will be forming, so that we have to plough again and again on the ploughed lines. Just see that figure for reference. Check for the leakages. Even if you are wasting your drops by leakages, it may waste up to 2000 liters in a year as per PCRA suggestions. PCRA means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. We should ensure proper maintenance as per the guidelines given by the company or a standard institute, and we should follow the correct maintenance procedures, and we should be do maintenance at the right service centers always. We should look for the abnormal smokes that may happen in tractors, which is due to an internal repairs or faults, such as fuel pumps, so that we have to be careful on the smokes, and if it persists, we should go for a service, and after rectification it will be smooth. Always fill the proper air pressure in the tires, and if you are going for ballasting, go for suitable procedure, and replace the worn out tires with the new tires, so that we can conserve more fuel. And that V-shaped button in that tire, that should be pointing the ground always. That is the correct way of fitting the tires. That's why we should not take the tires simply. It carries some serious issues also. Always go for a qualified tires for ensuring safety. We can see the slip losses in most of the difficult situations, and there will be a relationship between the tires, oil properties, and gear. By looking into these properties, we should look for a reduced slip losses, so that we can conserve more fuel. For any work, we should go with a planning. First of all, we have to compile all the jobs under the tractor, and we should look after the time, and thereby making a good plan for that all jobs, so we can reduce the fuel consumption in that way. Farmers are facing many of the issues on tractors. Let us see some general issues faced by the farmers. First of all, loan. Most of the farmers are purchasing the tractors on loans. Before the purchase, a farmer should look for their needs, and accordingly he should purchase a tractor. If purchasing a large or higher HP tractors, then it will be a waste. And he should budget his accounts, so according to that he can adjust his loan EMIs. Alternate income sources must be there for a farmer, so that he can repay the loans easily. If the crop is growing very good, he can repay the loan very easily, but if the crop fails, he could not pay the loan, so it leads to the cheating of tractor from the banker's side. Before purchasing a tractor, he should plan, and he should preferably plan for the subsidies and other offers, so that he can reduce his loans at most, and he should stop his unnecessary expenditures while he is on difficult budget times, so that he can overcome the loan and seizing issues. Most of the farmers are lagging on the technological informations and skills, so a farmer always should try to improve his technological information or skills by approaching government training institutes or standard private institutions, or thereby seeking the help from a trusted friends or known delegates. Government has implemented training centers at state agricultural universities, and also at central level there are training institutes for tractors, so the farmers can search for the training centers of governments and get benefited out of it. Apart from all those things, those who need informations or facts regarding tractors can comment on our channel anytime from anywhere. We are ready to provide the answers, solutions, or replies either from our side, or we will collect the information from a standard source and we will provide you. Next thing is fake market, that is fake market or fake information and fake news on social media, and false propaganda by the private institutes or companies are leading to several issues that are faced by the farmer. Some of the companies providing false advertisements or wrong information and making their product to be sold out to a farmer. After purchasing that, a farmer is facing lot of problems in that particular tractor, either higher diesel consumption or poor performance or irrelevant capacity, and some of the social media is providing wrong information for maintenance or purchasing or anything about the tractors. By hearing that a farmer is doing something wrongly, he is losing his tractor performance or tractor's life. So farmers should be aware of this. Coming to the testing centers, central government has established a Central Farm Machinery Testing and Training Institute at Budni in the state of Madhya Pradesh. This is one of the testing centers is established for agricultural machineries. This is exclusive for tractors, and all the tractor companies has to test their tractor models at this center for getting certificates for selling their tractors officially. No other centers are given permission for testing the tractors in India anywhere other than this Budni center. If you are having any queries regarding this video, please give a comment in our comment box. We are ready to give a reply up to our level best. Also share this video to most of the farmers and agricultural students to get a minimum knowledge on tractors if they are lagging on that. Thank you very much for watching this video very patiently. Go on mechanization and travel with our technologies. Thank you.